If you're planning to backlight Cristallo Quartzite, Onyx, marble, glass, or any other translucent surface, one of the most important decisions you'll make is how you build the layers behind the stone. The correct layering, spacing, and power supply selection can make the difference between a beautifully illuminated installation and one that's plagued by hot spots, shadows, and uneven light. That's exactly why we created our free backlighting guide. Inside, you'll find practical information on layering methods, mounting options, power supply planning, diffusion, and proven installation techniques that have helped professionals successfully complete projects throughout North America for more than 17 years. If you'd like to learn how to backlight your translucent surface the right way, simply follow the link in our bio or scroll down to the description below and download our free backlighting guide. And if you have questions about your specific project, we'd be happy to help.